Good day everybody! Pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay solving linear inequality involving absolute value. Now, let us solve the absolute value of x less than 3. And that is x less than 3. So using the number line, plot natin ang value ng x dito. Gagamit tayo ng ganitong point. Kasi siya ay less than. And x is greater than negative 3. So as you see, the sign here is the opposite of positive 3 here. Okay, and we will plot the point here. So meaning to say, all the values in between negative 3 and 3 are the solutions of the given. So our solution set is negative 3 and positive 3. Again, all the numbers between these two are the solutions. Next, let us solve the absolute value of x less than 2. So we have here x less than 2 and we have to plot the point here. And then x less than 2, x greater than negative 2. So again, we use the inverse sign of less than, that is greater than. The inverse of positive 2, and that is negative 2. And then let us plot it here. So meaning, the numbers between negative 2 and positive 2 are the solutions of the given equation. So we have negative 2 and 2. Number 3. Solve the absolute value of x greater than 3. So we have now x greater than 3 and then x less than negative 3. To get this one, you will just get the opposite sign of greater than is less than. The opposite of 3 is negative 3. And let us plot the point. So x greater than 3 is here. So from here, since it is greater, the numbers from 3 and up are the solutions that will satisfy the given inequality. Meanwhile, x less than negative 3. Let us plot first the point. So we have here the point. And then x less than. So the arrow must be going to the left. Since all the values is getting smaller, or all the values are less than negative 3. Again, the solutions are negative infinity, meaning lahat ng numbers na negative mula sa negative 3. And 3, lahat ng numbers mula sa 3 pataas, or 3 and positive infinity. Again, these numbers from negative 3 until negative infinity are the solutions. And here, positive 3 until positive infinity are the solutions. Next, number 4. 8x, absolute value of 8x greater than 16. So, let us first get the value of x. So, 8x greater than 16 divided by 8 divided by 8. So, 8x divided by 8 is x. Greater than 16 divided by 8 is 2. Therefore, we have this answer. X greater than 2. So, we have to plot here. Andito yung 2 natin, greater than 2. So, we are going to the right, pataas. So, lahat ng values mula sa 2 pataas ay magsasatisfy sa ating inequality. Next, let us get the inverse. So, 8x, we will be using here less than. Dito ay greater than. Gagamitin natin ito ay less than. At ang inverse ng 16 ay negative 16. Divide both sides by 8 and we'll get 8x divided by 8 is x less than negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2. Now, let us plot negative 2. So, it is here. And then, since it is less than, the arrow must be going to the left. Paliit. So, from negative 2 going down. Okay? So, our solution set is negative infinity. So, negative numbers until from negative 2. And positive 2 until positive infinity or mula sa 2 hanggang sa pataas. Okay? Yan po ang magsasatisfy ng ating inequality. So, number 5. Solve x plus 1 greater than 2. So, we have here x plus 1 greater than 2. So, we have x greater than 2 and then minus 1. So, we change the sign since we transpose. So, we have x greater than 2 minus 1 is 1. So, that is the value of our x. And the other equation, we will get the inverse of greater than is less than, and then the inverse of positive 2 is negative 2. So, we have now x less than negative 2 minus 1. Then, x less than negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So, that is the other value of x. So, let us plot the point. X greater than 1 is here. X greater than 1. Our arrow must be going to the right. Next is x less than negative 3. Plot the point first. And then, since it is less than negative 3, all the numbers from negative 3 going less. Okay? Therefore, the solution set is negative infinity o lahat ng negative sign mula sa negative 3. And 1 and positive infinity or mula sa 1 pataas. Okay. Next, number 6. Solve the absolute value of x less than or equal to 4. So, simply, x less than or equal to 4. And the other one is, we'll have here the point. So, as you see, solid yung ating point kasi nga may equal sign dito. Next is x greater than or equal to negative 4. As you see, this greater than or equal to 4, negative 4, this is the inverse of less than or equal to. And negative 4 is the inverse of positive 4. Next, let us plot the point negative 4. Okay. So, meaning, our solutions are in between negative 4 until 4. So, from negative 4 until 4. Kasama sa solution ang negative 4 and 4. So, lahat ng numbers dito ay magsasatisfy sa ating inequality. So, solution set is negative 4 and positive 4. Next, solve x greater than or equal to 1. So, x is greater than or equal to 1. Let us plot the point here. And then, greater than or equal to 1, meaning pataas. So, mula sa 1, pataas or pakanan. Lahat ng numbers dito mula sa 1 ay magsasatisfy sa inequality. Next, x less than or equal to negative 1. Let us plot the point here. So, less than or equal to negative 1. Kasama po ang negative 1, papunta sa kaliwa. Kasi paliit ang number na yan. So, mula dito, mag-extend siya, ay magsasatisfy sa ating inequality. So, the solution set is, so dito muna tayo, negative 8 and negative 1. Or mula sa negative 1, ang ating solutions. And mula sa 1 pataas ang ating solution. Next, solve 2x greater than or equal to 8. So, we have x greater than or equal to 4. So, bakit naging ganyan? We divide 8 by 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, we have here, plot the point 4 here, greater than or equal to 4. So, we have to draw the line going to the right since that is greater than or equal to 4. And we have x less than or equal to negative 4. So, this is the inverse. Less than or equal to, inversion ng greater than or equal to. Negative 4, inverse ng positive 4. Plot the point, negative 4, less than or equal to negative 4. So, the arrow will be going to the left. Solution set is negative infinity and negative 4 and 4 positive infinity. Now let us have this one. X plus 1 greater than or equal to 2. So let us find out first the value of x. So x greater than or equal to 2. Applying transposition. So we have x is greater than or equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. The other equation is x plus 1 less than or equal to negative 2. So as you see, inverse itong less than or equal to. Inversion nito. And then yung negative 2 ay inverse ng positive 2. So x less than or equal to negative 2 minus 1. Therefore, x is less than negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Now, let us plot the point. So, we have here x greater than or equal to 1. Plot the point here. Again, the point is solid kasi mayroon siyang equal sign. So, from here going there ang ating solution. And then, the other one, from negative 3 going to negative infinity. So, our solution set is negative infinity and negative 3 and 1 and positive infinity. Meaning, mula dito hanggang doon ay solution. Mula dito sa negative 3 pababa ay solution din. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat!